Trying to navigate the roadways around town has been hard for some drivers.
Especially along Highway 288, flooded lanes had drivers turning around, driving the wrong way to escape those floodwaters. Channel 2's Kathy Hernandez has been near 288 and Holly Hall all morning. Kathy, I was going to ask you, are conditions any better? But clearly they are not.
Well, Lisa, they had stopped for a while, and I was thankful for that. I figured the water would start receding, but just in the last few minutes, it started raining, and it started raining hard. This, as you can see, 288 is still covered in water, basically now Lake 288. Now, this all started at about 4:30 this morning, drivers becoming trapped. People were forced to drive the wrong way on State Highway 288 in Holly Hall to avoid the waters. So difficult, 18-wheeler drivers had to reverse slowly on connector ramps. Unfortunately, some drivers took the risk and failed. We talked to one man who says he didn't see the water until he splashed into it, and then the water started rushing inside his car.
Just happened so fast, you know. I can't even believe it myself.
And so you made it through, you know, how high was it in the car?
It's right here.
Oh my gosh.
So I came through the sunroof and then came out. It's not worth it. Your life comes first.
That man was not hurt. A Houston police high rescue vehicle came here and was driving around to flooded cars just to make sure everyone was okay. No word on any injuries. But of course, right now, 288 is underwater and closed. So, of course, avoid the area if you can. Reporting live near NRG, Kathy Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Kathy, thank you.